So 2 weeks ago, a new campaign released for Rain World, and so far it's really cool when you don't get lost for 50 minutes like I did. No foreshadowing at all in that sentence. And yes, I do still need to finish Artie's campaign, but over the past 2 weeks, I think it has it been 2 weeks since it released? I don't know. Since it released, Since it released, I've barely gotten away without any spoilers, and I don't want the entire campaign spoiled by the time I finally do get around to it. So I'm going to finish this campaign and then finally get back to that one. Also, with this video, if you don't want to sit through 50 minutes of me being stupid, getting lost, there was, in fact, a way through that, and just slight confusion over absolutely anything that I have to do for this, then maybe just skip to the last 10 minutes of the video. I don't want to spoil anything, but there's some fun stuff there, and that's pretty much where the actual campaign starts. But if you do want to see me in a state where I want to bash my head against a wall, that's a bit too dark for YouTube. I'll keep it in anyway. If you do want to see that, then here's the video, I guess. I'm really bad at these intros. Okay, bye. Let's see this new intro, because we haven't had one of those in a while. In a while being the only one that had any kind of start like this was The Survivor. So that's interesting. Let's see it. Okay, well that was beautiful. Wow. So was that the hunter and the survivor? Wait, we got slopes in this? And was that an echo flash? What's going on? Okay, everything's starting really quickly. Everything at once. This looks really cool. So what I know about this campaign is that it includes a completely new map separate to the rest of all the other campaigns. So I'm going to be incredibly lost here. And that's the other thing I know about this campaign. It's very easy to get lost. Ooh, hydroponics. I hear something above me or below me. I'm going to go up because it's easier to fall. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, I'm not going to go where that pink crystal is. Oh no. What? Huh? Maybe I should try something different. Oh, what? Okay, time to jump. Oh! Wait, what? Huh? I'm alive? What? Okay. Why is this first cycle so intense? Oh no. Haha. I can't go that way because I'll die. So far this region looks like a mixture of outskirts and not garbage wastes. Farmers, that's what it is. Rocks. Well, here we go. Okay, that wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. This place has also reminded me of Industrial Complex a lot. Just the extreme verticality of it. What? Is this just going to a giant cliff edge? Yep. What? Huh? Did we just switch regions? What? Okay, hold on. We just moved regions without going through a karma gate? Huh? You can do that? Could you leave me alone? We just went between regions without a karma gate. That is really surprising. I didn't think that was possible with the way regions worked in this game. Unless the hydroponics are just a sub-region? Maybe. Ooh, new art. Why is the art in this game so pretty? Just all the time? Okay, so the thing I said about it being a completely different map is just completely incorrect. So that's good to know. Also, the thing I said about what is this place called? Aqueducts? Hydroponics. The thing I said about the hydroponics looking like the industrial complex, turns out there was a reason to that. So am I just here now? But I want to see the new stuff. I don't think there's any way back up there, from here at least. So I'm just gonna keep looking around to see where all of the new stuff is. No. How about stop? How about we don't do that and instead? What are you? Okay, just a fat fly. No. I don't really want to go to the pipe yard today. I feel like that's just a little too much. And seeing as the last time I went there I got off pretty lightly with how obnoxious it is, I'm not going to test my luck again. Unless I have to. Is that stuff down there new, or am I just really oblivious? I mean, the second one's true regardless, but still. Oh! Oh no! Oh, what? Okay, that was fast. I'm just dead now. Okay. So there is something going on with rot. Well, so I guess I'm not going to the garbage wastes then. Regular lizard activities. I'm gonna stab it. Oh. Okay. What is with this room? What's with all the rot and why is it that colour? Because that isn't normal rot colour. Cyan lizard. Okay, great, there's a cyan here. I don't like that. Oh, I really don't like that. Ow. I don't like that either. Can I go back to the hydroponics? That place seemed more fun than this. Is there a way I can get back up there? Huh. Ow. I mean, I can get up this far, but... Do I have another spear? There's some spears down there. There's a spear that's about to go in my face. Ow. Okay, I'm up. I'm not going to watch that because whichever one wins, it's going to come after me next. And I don't like that. Is there anything up here? Nope, just another dead end. This place is cool though. Oh no. Okay, I guess I'm not good at jumping. Ow. Why haven't I gone over that way? Oh, that's why I can't. Probably could with a spear. How am I still alive after all this? I'm not getting to a shelter in time, am I? Oh! Of course it was a drop wig. Well, at least I get to see new places. Oh! Okay. And simple cycle. Simple, easy. Ah! I can't words. That art's still so nice. And now I can go to the outskirts. And we're in the outskirts. hopefully there's something new in here. Hopefully something that isn't drop wigs. Egg. Oh, I'm not going all the way over there. I know Farmers is probably the best place for me to go right now, but I'm not. Because I know there's a few mods added in this. I know one of them is the Badlands mod. Badlands region. What? Huh? Why? Okay, I can't go to the drainage system. I don't like that. Okay. Why is there just random sections of rot everywhere? Is the world just completely rotting? Because that would be cool. And I would hate it. Anything down here? Nope. I wouldn't expect there to be. But let's check here just in case. No, if there's one section in the outskirts that I feel like it needs something added to, it's this path. Okay, there's nothing. I'm not counting the lizard as something. Would there be something up there? Nope. What? Why is there a red lizard and a king vulture in the outskirts? I mean, the music's cool. Okay, just a dead king vulture. This is mildly terrifying. Oh, no. No. Okay, that room's dangerous. I'm never going back there. There's only really one place left to go in the outskirts. And that's to the farm arrays. Well, we can go there and deal with the reindeer. Oh well. No. No. Stop it. Oh, there's more. Okay, it's there. I can get around that. Yeah, there we go. What? No. Oh no. Why are those things here? I've only seen red lizards spawn naturally, I think, in one place. And that wasn't the outskirts. There's 2 red lizards here. Oh no, this is a scavenger toll. This is the bad place. That also sometimes crashes my game, so here we go. It doesn't. Yay. Okay. Does this place look different? Or do I just never come over here? Okay. This has moved. you not throw spears at me? If the lizards can all move, that would be great. And time to go. Oh no. Okay, time to go. No. Ow! I was so close. Oh. Okay, the only place I really can go is pretty much go industrial complex to Shaded Citadel, because there's nowhere else for me to go. I completely missed that, because drainage system is blocked by rot, garbage waste is blocked by rot, and farm arrays sucks. I want to check to see if you can get to the pipe yard, because so far most of the other regions have been blocked off. I wonder if that one is as well. Anything to not have to go through Shaded Citadel. I'm gonna grab a pearl just in case I need to go back to the farm arrays gate again. No. No. Oh no. Stop. Did I kill a cyan lizard? Did I really just do that? Okay. Nice. Okay. Well, that's another region that's just completely blocked off. I mean, it's a cool way to do things, but also, with it just being single sections around the map specifically to make sure you only go through certain regions, kinda feels a little odd and out of place. And I don't want to say lazy, but the fact that it's only next to region gates, and it's really streamlining the game a lot, I don't know. It's still cool. I just think it would be cooler if it was something like, why am I giving advice? No one cares. But still, I'm going to run with this thought. I think it would be cooler if entire sections of region were corrupted by rot in a way where you could get through it, it would just be a lot harder, instead of it just being straight up blocked off. Okay. I'm in danger. Nope. Get in. Okay. This sucks. Time to run. Okay. I'll leave your family alone, and you don't stab me in the face. Thank you. What was that? Can we at least go through this way? Yeah, okay. Cool. Okay, next cycle. Let's see how this... Oh no. I need food. And a higher level of karma. down we go. I still don't understand what's going on with all the rot. Oh, his pebble's okay. Because he's got all that rot inside him. If the rot spread anywhere, it would be here. And I don't like that. I do like this music though. It's always great. Is this a different colour to usual? Or have I just not seen lighting long enough? No, I think I'm just getting really confused. Every time something updates. I did this with the monk campaign as well. I was like, is this different? Stop. Falling. Like, is this different? Is that different? Everything was exactly the same. Huh? You can hold on to walls? Okay. Why did I know that would happen? Okay, the first time it was cool. The rest of the times it's just getting annoying. All of these regions being blocked off is just getting old really quickly. Everything's fine. And we're through. If I get to the end of the memory crypts and it's blocked off there, I'm gonna be so annoyed. I don't need more food. There's more rot here too. Okay. This isn't looking promising. If I go up here and there's more rot, after all that. Yep, of course. After all that, it's another section blocked off. Go. Go, go, go. No, it got me. Should be able to get over there in time. If I run. I should probably play it safe, but I'm not going to do that. If I can't get through Chimney Canopy, there's seriously only 2 ways left I can possibly go. And I don't exactly know if Farmer A's is worth it. Nope. I forgot how incredibly dangerous this place was. I don't like you. What are you doing? Could you leave? Thank you. Okay. There's 2. Are you really gonna try doing that? Okay. Here we go. It's gone. Okay, go quickly. Another. Okay. No. Okay, this place isn't filled with rot. I feel like there's still not going to be any way for me to go through here. But we can try. Well, that just happened. Oh, there's something right there. Okay. Okay. I'm so annoyed I didn't see that. Wait, I'm out. I'm out. I'm alive? I'm alive? Okay, I'm alive. I need to focus a lot more now. Because that set me back a long way. Vulture. 2 vultures. And 2 scavengers. Please fight over them and not me. And it's gone. Run. What was that flash at the beginning about? Is there an echo in that room? I want to check that. No. Oh great, King Vulture. Just what I needed. Go. No, I don't need to go down. You can both focus on... Oh no, it's getting dark. Yep, it's that time in the cycle. Okay. And I can't get to either of these. There's not even any rot up here. Why is it there? It's just... Okay. I'm gonna use a passage. like that. I can't use a passage. Okay. It's time to get just a little bit done with this. It's not a bad DLC, it's just... I see what people mean about not knowing where to go. It isn't that the world's too big, it's just that everything's getting blocked off for seemingly no reason. So there's nowhere to go in Chimney Canopy. And I feel like Farm Race is going to be the same. So I guess it's back to hydroponics. It's been 2 hours and we're back to square one. Literally, this is where I was in the first cycle. Huh? That was weird. Is there a way up there? No. Oh no. Okay. This is actually gone. I wasted the spear. No! It's still there. Why did I waste that spear? Are you actually coming? Come on. Oh no. No! Ow. We're back in the hydroponics. Wait, what if I grab one of you to get me up there? Hey? Ooh, this room's weird. Weird? What? That is not the word I had in my head. It looks really cool. And I don't know why. What's over this way? No. I'm not dealing with a dropwig today. Oh, it's this room. Okay. Is it this room? It's this room. No. 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 Okay. Do not trust that pole. No. No. I know what you are. You fake. Okay, I hope there's some kind of shelter soon. You want to help me get somewhere? Thank you. Thanks for moving. Okay, there's a shelter here. That's good. And I've got food. Okay, I'm going in. Nice. These new rooms look really cool. Just this entire region in general. Oh. Great. Is there seriously no other way to go? Okay, well, that room flashed last time I was in it, so... This is really the only other place to go here? here? Because there was, in fact, a way through there. Okay. There's one more place to go, and I feel like it's also going to be a dead end. I feel like this isn't going to be the right place to go. Seeing as it's... Yep, it's just a scavenger treasury. Is there seriously nowhere left to go? Okay, there's nowhere in this region. Okay, I see what people mean now when they say it's really hard to tell where to go. It isn't that it's too big, it's that everywhere's a dead end. Which was a nice thing about the vanilla Rain World. There's never any dead ends. And it seems like there's only one place I can possibly check to go. Which is the most infuriating region connection in the game. For me, at least. At least there's a karma file here. This isn't going to go well at all. Yep. There's no way I can make it across there with all those scavengers. Just by running. If I could try and pick them off one by one. Like that. Oh no, it's blocking the way. Yep, of course that would happen. The fact that I knew I should have gone to the farm-raise to begin with, and I didn't, just a little annoying. I still don't have a pearl. I mean, there is the coloured pearl I could go get. No. No! What am I supposed to do against that? Now, I don't want to have to do this whole mad dash again. So let's be careful. No. What? That's not good. So that terrifying beast is there. Run! It knows I'm here. Okay. I need food. No. Just need a little bit of food. That's it. I'm not that desperate for food. Please go away before something bad happens to me. Wait, why am I doing this? I can just get food in here. Then I'm going to grab that for the next cycle. And I'll go around the other way. Okay, final cycle. Let's get through this. Oh! No! Don't go after me. I hope scavengers like coloured pearls, because that's all I have. Well, that's all I will have. Oh no. Is the rot spreading? What? No. Why is that place suddenly rotting? What? Does it spread? Does it move? Do I trust it? I don't know. Oh. It's like the entire world is rotting. What is going on? I know that that room's like that already. Okay, don't miss this jump. I missed the jump. What's going on? Seriously, why? What happened? I'm not eating that. That would be a stupid idea. Lizard. Oh, it's a really short cycle. I don't have enough time to get that pearl. It might. I don't even know if it'll do anything though. Oh no. Grab it and run. No. around. I'm not touching that berry. Gotta go really quickly. Oh no. No time to care about that. It's gotta go. Just go. If I throw that, then I can go. And everything's fine. Everything's fine. Don't take anything, don't touch anything, just go. And grab one of those pearls. Are we through? Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna go in here. Oh! I guess it wasn't the last cycle then. It was cool though what was happening with the rot. I just wish they did that with more of the regions. Just so that it felt less like they were just being straight up blocked off. And we're at the farm arrays. I've just got to run for this one, don't I? Oh no. Well, I guess I'm going down here then. No. No, don't. Oh, you suck. I was moving that whole time. Okay. Good thing I had that karma flower. Ooh. I'm not gonna go there then. Yep, that's the first time we've seen... Oh. What? What is going on?